VDF is great for studio owners and for dance teachers in high schools because there's some great exhibitors here that can direct you into new ways of thinking and accessing some new resources.
VDF's amazing because you get to connect with lots of other like-minded people.
I think it's great for us as dance teachers to grow our own knowledge to then give to our students and our kids.
I'm looking forward to hearing from all professional teachers and what they know about dance and share their wisdom with us.
We really like coming to VDF to expand our knowledge on how to run our dance school and take lots of classes from amazing people.